Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to start most important vocabulary words to pass all the competitive exam. Our first vocabulary word is adulation. Adulation होता है खुशामद करना, चापलूसी करना, ठीक है. इसका synonyms है हमारे पास worship, great praise, admiring. The structure is your strong desire for public adulation can become the single driving force in your life. The second structure is speaking generally. They are characterized by a stilted, affected style and a tone of gross adulation. The second word is candid. साफ गो, सादा, बिल्कुल वाज़े. The synonyms is truthful, straightforward, ठीक है, फ्री फ्रॉम प्रिजुडाइस. नंबर 1 स्ट्रक्चर हमारे पास है द ऑनर वाज कैंडिड अबाउट द थिंग्स दैट वेंट रॉन्ग एज वेल एज द सक्सेस. द सेकेंड वन इज द गवर्नमेंट हैज बीन क्वाइट कैंडिड ऑन दिस पॉइंट. द नेक्स्ट वन इज इनटेम्परेट, शदीद या सख्त. इमॉडरेट, एक्सेसिव. इनऑर्डिनेट, अनजस्टिफाइड. द स्ट्रक्चर इज Asad has intemperate mood swings he cannot seem to control. The second one is he has a mental disorder that makes him intemperate. The next one is irreverence, बेअदबी, lack of respect, contempt, mockery, disrespect. इसके synonyms हैं. The structure is his irreverence for authority marks him out as a troublemaker. The second one is he guessed at some rebel irreverence within. The second one is irony, tons, something unexpected. In irony of war, they were shelled by their own artillery. The second one is the irony is that when he finally got the job, he discovered he didn't like it. The next one is magnanimous, bahadur, ali himmat, generous minded, big hearted, beneficent character. The structure is I must be magnanimous and truly great. He is a leader who is magnanimous in victory. The next one is कंजीनियल, हम मिजाज, मुवाफिक, ठीक है. फ्रेंडली, सोशेबल, सूटेबल, जिससे आपका मिजाज मिलता हो. द स्ट्रक्चर इज वी स्टडीड इन द कंजीनियल एटमोसफियर ऑफ द लाइब्रेरी. द सेकेंड वन इज शी वाज कंजीनियल एंड ईजी गोइंग. द नेक्स्ट वन इज एस्ट्यूट, तेज फहम, होशियार. द सिनोनिम्स इज वाइज, mentally sharp, acute, quick. Structure is he was astute in business matters. The second one is a good leader must be an astute judge of ability. The next one is preclude, महरूम करना. The synonyms is prevent, make impossible or rule out. Structure is we will preclude it from consideration. The second one is a prior engagement we will preclude me from coming. The next one is animosity, dushmani, adawat, hostility, hatred, ill will, enmity, opposition, mukhalafat जिसको बोलते हैं. Structure is we don't want animosity between plant management and inspectors. The second one is she seems to have so much animosity toward you. The next one is consensus, हम आंगी. Accord, harmony, unison, unanimity, unity, ittifaq. The structure is the two parties have reached a consensus. The second one is he was the first to break the consensus and criticize the proposal. The next one is probes, खोज लगाना, तलाश करना. Detection, एग्जामिनेशन, इंक्वायरी, तफ्तीश करना, एक्सपेडिशन. The structure is the police probe into organized crime led to several arrests. The second one is I don't want to probe too deeply. The next one is spate, selab, barrage, blast, explosion, excess, crack. The structure is after the heavy rain the river was in spate. After the storm all the rivers were in spate. The next one is mutilation, काट छांट, deformation, grimace, twist, anamorphosis, dislocation. The structure is the work is mutilated and without beginning on end. The second one is thousands suffered death or mutilation in the bomb blast. The next one is rift, darar, break, flaw, division, fault, quarrel. The structure is the rift between the spouses made for quiet meal times. The second one is the sun appeared through a rift in the clouds. The third one is the stream had cut a deep rift in the rock. The next one is articulation, talaffuz ya lehja, joining, speaking clearly, distinct. The structure is Aisha was very articulate with her presentation, giving her good grade on the assignment. The second one is the illness hindered his ability to articulate well. The second one. So it's enough for today. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.